All right, we are at the Canyon Matka. That's right on the Lake Matka, which is an artificial lake made in 1938, where a dam was built on the river Treska. And it is a nice hiking trail here that goes all the way along the lake. And yes, it is time for beach adventures with Chris in Macedonia. And yes, let's check out the lake. I was earlier today taking a swim in the river Treska, so now it's time to take a swim also here in Lake Matka. It is not so easy actually to access the water, but we're gonna do our best in order to show you the beauty of Macedonia. So here the entry is rather hard, but I'm in now. And the water is a bit cold, and it is quite deep in this lake actually. And you see the beautiful nature over here. And yes, today is 17th of September. Currently it is 29 degrees Celsius in the air, but it feels a bit colder here under shadow in the forest. And the lake seems quite cold. And yes, in order to get here from the central Skopje, and Skopje is the capital of Macedonia, it will take you around 15 to 17 kilometers. And you can also take the public transport, bus 60, or you can also come obviously by car or by bicycle even. And yes, it's very beautiful, and there are 10 natural caves here on this lake. And one of them, that's called Cave Vrelo, is one of the most famous caves, and it was crowned one of the 77 new wonders of the world at one point in time. I'm gonna show you that some other time, but now I'm showing you the Lake Matka here, and it's time to dive in. Let's go! Woohoo! Quite cold, and there are here also boats passing by that can take you all the way to the cave Vrelo. And you see this natural beauty of the canyon. It's magnificent. Pure natural beauty. Look at that. It's amazing. I'm actually the only one that swims in Lake Matka. Not so many people around. But yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I'm showing you fantastic beach locations from around the world. And right now I am in my home country, Macedonia. Yes, I am born and raised in Macedonia, and I lived in Macedonia up until age of 25 years old after I moved to Sweden. So yeah, that's a wrap then from Lake Matka and the Matka Canyon. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!